Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our Entrepreneurship Lecture series. Today, we are going to discuss two very powerful tips for becoming a successful entrepreneur. Tip number 3 is networking, and tip number 4 is mentorship. These two factors may look simple, but in reality, they play a very big role in business success. Let's start with networking. Networking means building strong professional relationships with different people in the market. These people can be customers, suppliers, investors, partners, or even other entrepreneurs. Many students think business success only comes from capital or investment, but in real life, relationships are more valuable than money. From a finance perspective, networking helps us reduce costs and increase revenue. For example, imagine you start a small business and you need raw materials. If you buy from the open market, you may pay full price. But if you have a strong relationship with a supplier, you might get a discount or better payment terms. Maybe 30 days credit, maybe 60 days credit. This improves your cash flow. And we know that cash flow is the lifeline of any business. Similarly, networking helps in sales. If someone trusts you, they will recommend your product to others. This is called referral marketing. And referral marketing costs almost zero. So your customer acquisition cost becomes very low, but your sales increase. This directly improves your profit margin. That is why we say, your network is your net worth. As an entrepreneur, you should attend events, connect on LinkedIn, talk to people, and always maintain good relationships. Because one good contact can change your entire business. Now let's move to tip number 4, mentorship. A mentor is an experienced person who guides you, someone who has already built a business and faced challenges. Without a mentor, you learn only through trial and error. And trial and error is very expensive. Every mistake costs money. Every wrong decision wastes time. For example, wrong pricing can reduce profits. Poor inventory control can block your capital. Bad financial planning can cause cash shortages. But a mentor helps you avoid these mistakes before they happen. They share practical knowledge. They guide you on what to do and what not to do. From a finance point of view, this reduces risk and increases efficiency. Instead of learning in 5 years, you learn in 5 months. This saves both time and money. So remember this simple formula. Networking gives you opportunities. Mentorship gives you direction. If you have both, your chances of success become much higher. Thank you for listening to today's lecture. If you found this lecture helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming entrepreneurship lectures. See you in the next class.